Here it is, guys, the new gate. Check it out. This is a 16-foot, double 8-foot galvanized steel mesh swinging gate. And that is our 4th gate in 6 weeks. Happy fencing. It's a 16-foot gate, 2 8-foot pieces. This is the galvanized steel mesh gate from Tractor Supply Co. All the locations were sold out. I had to drive about an hour to a new location just to bring them back. So glad I did. They are in. Let me show you how it works. One of the things I loved about this gate was that it came with the hardware. So you see, all you had to do is just screw in this mega bolt here. It came with the gate. And then on top of that, you just slide the gate hook right on top, tighten the bolt clamp here, gate's on, swings like a dream. That made it super easy. Just pre-drilled the hole through the stud here, and then, you know, use my pipe wrench to torque this massive screw. And sure, it came out the other end, but you know, I'm not too worried about that. This thing's tight, it's secure, and that's how you put on a gate, baby. Yeah.